Good morning, dear students. Standard 7, Subject Civics, SS, Chapter 2. We will talk about in our last lecture, healthcare is divided into two categories, public health service and private health service. Public health service is a chain of health center and hospitals run by the government, and private health service are not owned or controlled by the government. People have to pay a lot of money for every service that they use in private service. And public health service is healthcare service either free or at a low cost, so that even the poor can seek treatment. It is available in both the rural and urban areas. Now, what can be done? There is a little doubt that the health situation of most people in our country is not good. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare service to all its citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. However, health is as much depend on basic amenities and social conditions of the people as it is on health care services. Hence, it is important to work on both in order to improve the health situations of our people, and this can be done. Look at the following example. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि इन इंडिया प्राइवेट हेल्थ सर्विस आर इंक्रीजिंग बट पब्लिक हेल्थ सर्विस आर नॉट. As the cost of this private service is high, many people cannot afford them. Private service sometimes encourage practice which is barely 20% of the Indian population can afford medicines that they require during an illness. It is responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare service to all its citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. Now, example, Kerala. The Kerala experience. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. 40% of the entire state budget was given to panchayats. They could plan and provide for their requirements. This made it possible for a village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food, women's development and education. This means that water supply schemes were checked, the working of schools and Anganwadi was ensured, and specific problems of the village were taken up. Health centers were also improved. All of this helped to improve the situations. Despite this effort, however, some problems such as shortage of medicines, insufficient hospital beds, not enough doctors remained, and these needed to be addressed. For more details, visit this website. Let us look at an example of another country, its approach to issue of health, the Costa Rica approach. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि in 1996 Kerala its health budget at panchayat level to ensure effective health planning. The best example of health care comes from Costa Rica, where the government provide for health care to people there. In a democratic country, it is the expectation of the people that government work for their welfare through the provisional of education, health, employment. Health is a vital aspect because only healthy people can provide themselves resourceful. The Costa Rica approach. Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in South America. The main reason for this can be found in the Costa Rica Constitution. Several years ago, Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. This helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that the army would have used on health education and other basic needs of the people. The Costa Rica government believes that country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of its people. The Costa Rican government provides basic service and amenities to all Costa Ricans. For example, it provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition and housing. Health education is also considered very important, and knowledge about health is an essential part of education at all levels. तो ये बहुत सारी बातें थी जो कोस्टा रिका की कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारा अच्छा देख सकते हैं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऐसा है, अ लाइफ विद स्ट्रेस विल लीड अस द इलनेस, हेंस वी नीड टू बी विदाउट मेंटल स्ट्रेन, दस गुड हेल्थ इंक्लूड बोथ ऑफ साउंड माइंड एंड साउंड बॉडी। हमारी बॉडी अच्छी हो तो हमारा माइंड ठीक तरह से वर्क आउट करता है, तो उनके लिए हमारा हेल्थ अच्छा होना जरूरी है। वी नीड प्रॉपर हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज़ टू मेंटेन गुड हेल्थ। हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी इंक्लूड हेल्थ सेंटर्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, लेबोरेटरीज फॉर आप लेबोरेटरीज भी जा सकते हो फॉर टेस्ट एंड एम्बुलेंस सर्विस, ब्लड बैंक, इट इज अब बहुत सारी जो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी है। In order to run such facility, we need health workers, nurses, qualified doctor. तो यहाँ से हमें ये बहुत सारी बातें हैं कि जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू केरल और कोस्टा रिका आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। और अगले लेक्चर में हम दूसरा लेसन पढ़ेंगे, ज्योग्राफी। थैंक यू।